Ever found yourself needing to send a bit more cash than usual, and a little voice in your head whispers, "Is this going to go through?" Well, if you're a Lloyds Bank customer, that little voice is probably wondering about the faster payment limit. It's a question that pops up for all sorts of reasons. Maybe you're splitting the cost of a weekend getaway with friends, sending a gift to a family member, or paying a tradesperson for some work. Whatever the reason, knowing the ins and outs of your bank's transfer limits is crucial for smooth and stress-free transactions. Think about it. You're all set to make a payment, you've carefully entered the details, and then, nothing. The transaction doesn't go through. Cue the confusion, the slight panic, and the inevitable call to the bank. Wouldn't it be better to have that information up front? That's exactly what we're diving into today, the faster payment limit for Lloyds Bank. Now, Lloyds Bank, like many other UK banks, utilizes the faster payments service. This is the backbone of quick, near real-time transfers between accounts. It's the reason why sending money to a friend usually feels instantaneous. But to ensure security and manage risk, banks do set limits on the amount you can send through this service. So, what's the magic number for Lloyds Bank? As of my latest information, the standard daily limit for faster payments made through online banking or the mobile app for personal customers is £25,000. Yes, you read that right, a substantial amount for most everyday transactions. However, and this is a crucial however, this isn't a one-size-fits-all figure. Several factors can influence the actual limit you might encounter. For instance, if you're a new customer or if you've recently made significant changes to your account, your initial limits might be lower for security reasons. These limits often increase over time as you build a transaction history with the bank. Furthermore, the method you use to make the payment can also play a role. While the £25,000 limit generally applies to online and mobile banking, payments initiated through other channels, such as over the phone or in person at a branch, might have different limits. It's always worth confirming these details directly with Lloyds Bank if you frequently use these methods for larger transfers. It's also important to remember that this is a daily limit. This means the total amount you can send via faster payments within a 24-hour period is capped at this figure. If you need to make payments exceeding this amount, you might need to explore alternative methods. What are those alternatives, you ask? Well, for larger sums, SHAPS, Clearinghouse Automated Payment System, transfers are often used. These are same-day payments for high-value transactions, although they typically come with a fee. Another option might involve requesting a temporary increase to your faster payment limit, although this is usually assessed on a case-by-case basis and might require contacting Lloyds Bank directly. To find the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding your specific faster payment limit, the best course of action is always to check your Lloyds Bank online banking portal or mobile app. These platforms often display your individual transfer limits. Alternatively, you can contact Lloyds Bank directly through their customer service channels, by phone, email, or by visiting a local branch. They will be able to provide you with the precise details applicable to your account. Understanding your bank's payment limits empowers you to manage your finances more effectively and avoid any unexpected hiccups when making payments. It's a small piece of information that can save you time and potential frustration. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.